Lego friends. I have a spooky review today. And I'm trying something new, so bear with me. You know, my husband and his camera angles. So here we go, guys. I wanted to show you this most adorable, let's see if I can do this. I'm short. Pumpkin truck. He is so cute. Little dude's driving. And inside the jack-o'-lantern, let's see if I can get this open. I can. Is a surprise. They gave us a skull head. And a little pumpkin. So when you build this, you get to put a little surprise in there. I think it is so adorable. I don't know why I can never get the top back on. Why are you not going on? There. It's because I had it turned wrong. There's a little spider. And I was trying to see what the little dude's face, if he looked scared or not. He's a farmer. Farmers aren't scared. It is so cute, and Dakota absolutely loves it, of course. So this is definitely a thumbs up for a build that I enjoyed very much. Let me get the, oh, I'm going to lose the leaves off of it. The pumpkin can't lose its leaves. Haha, the box. Have to cheat. The number for this one is 40822, and it's called a jack-o'-lantern pickup truck. I don't think, for some reason I'm wanting to say gift with purchase, but I don't think so. I think this is actually an item that you can buy. Am I correct? I had to check with my boss. Ha! I will get the box out first for this other one. It is amazing. Yes, I paid full price at Lego the day it came out because I was so excited. I should have went and tried to find it at Costco. And well, Dakota wants me to build the other two things in it anyway. There is a train and a ship. I don't know if that will show up. I don't think that's going to show up. We're going to just hold it up that way. And then I'll show you the back of the box. So since it's a 3-in-1, you know, you get to get 3 sets and make 3 different things. Or you build it, tear it apart, make another one. That's the great thing about Lego and the great things about 3-in-1s. The number on this one is 31167, and it's called Haunted Mansion. It definitely is haunted because it did not want to cooperate with some of the pieces. It was very tedious, but a very, very fun build. The front of it has the most awesome, let me get these mini figs out of the way. I don't know how that's really gonna look, but here we go, guys. The front of it has boarded up windows, and I don't think the ghost is in the front. I think it's in the back. Because there is an actual ghost in one of the windows, and you turn a knob and his little eyes go. He's really, really cute. Sorry, I didn't mean to bang that. I'm sure that was your ears. There is a bat on top. You can twist him any direction. He's obviously gotten twisted on the move into the studio. The other side has really cool rooms inside. Oh, I found the ghost. I'll show you in just a second. There is, yeah, this is not really working for this house. We'll have to work on this. This is going to take practice, that's for sure. There is an organ. There are some candles, some pictures. There was absolutely no stickers. I was so excited because when I saw that there was going to be like pictures on the wall, I was very nervous about doing what I thought stickers. They're not. It was awesome. So you find all kinds of really cool things that you get to build in there. There is, I just looked at it, there is a clock. Yeah. Over here, right there. And if you turn a knob, the pendulum, oh, if I do that, that's gonna, the pendulum on the clock moves. This is tedious work now, guys. I am not talented to do that. The front of it, I found the ghost. It is in this window right here. And where is the knob to turn him? There it is. You turn a knob and he disappears and comes back. Really, really cute. Really cute. I didn't know that we were going to have the bonuses of the little motion ghosts and things that you don't think would be in a little Lego set like this with the Halloween theme. The front of it has a haunted tree. Now, let me tell you about this tree. This tree is very tedious. It is, if you move it wrong, it falls apart. So I built that thing, I don't know how many times. So finally, I just put it to the side and was like, I'm not touching you until I'm done. And he stayed built then. Can you imagine? Yeah, should have done that from the first place. The most favorite figure I think I see is, I'm not sure if you call her a vampire or not. Yeah, she's definitely a vampiress. I don't know if you're seeing that or not. She's got red eyes, fangs, and her hair is all funky. Her outfit, I just absolutely love. We have a ghost that actually glows in the dark. I have not tried it yet. Oops, I'm covering his little face up. There's a little woo, he flies around. They show him every which direction, but I stuck him down here with the little skeleton dude. see if I can get him off without taking his legs off. Because you actually put him, like, his legs together, his arms together. It's like, whoo, I'm not used to that. That was pretty wicked. So he is so cute. There's like little bones for his toes and everything. Little lantern. He is so cute. I guess skeletons aren't supposed to be cute though, are they? Oh well. This one is. He is not going to stay there. There are tombstones that are really cool in the front. This one kind of moves a little bit. And I don't know that you can see that on the small camera. There is a bone, which is an arm coming out of the ground in the little cemetery. There is also a pumpkin. And yes, it is all open right at the moment, which looks really cool. And that's really cool on the back side. But then you can close it up. And let me tell you, those, until they get sturdy, these pieces are, you touch it, you breathe on it, and it falls down. It's crazy. I'm not sure what that knob does. Oh, that's the ghost. Okay. I'm turning knobs that I already turned. I just absolutely love the architecture. I like how it's built. With all of the little awnings over the little windows and the boarded up windows. I had never built a set that had boarded up things, so that was fun. I kind of wondered for a while, oh, how are we going to do this? But it's pretty cool. The porch is really awesome. It wraps around, kind of. Well, especially when it's opened, it wraps around. But I'll spin it like this on the big camera. And see the bat, he's moved again. So he just likes to fly around everywhere. And the front door does open. So you can open the door. Let's see. Oh, there's a couple more minifigs here. We've got a werewolf. He is so cute. I thought that it would be like a head and then like just a face over it for the werewolf, but it's not. That's actually it. There's not a head underneath there. That is the werewolf. He has a bone. His tail of a hare. He looks pretty scary, doesn't he? I really like these minifigs. I think they're adorable. We have Frankie. Frankie, definitely. Oh my gosh, when I put him together, he was so cute. Because his head pops off in pieces. I don't know if I can do this. Up there. We got him like that. Then you stick his head on there, or his hair on there. And he's Frankie-fied. He's so cute. I think it was the first minifig that I built out of the set. So, of course, he was like one of my favorites. Well, he doesn't want to stand up. They also have a gate, a gated gate with a chain and a lock. And yes, the gate well, that one's too tight right now, and I'm at a bad angle, so I'm not moving it, but obviously you see that this one can open and it can close. And of course, Dakota loved the haunted house. I hope you enjoyed my little awkward tour, but hopefully you got to see some of it. It's a work in progress, so bear with me. And we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Either way, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my videos.